This is my favorite slide, the internet marketing tree. This is a very famous tree, but looking deeply into it, you will discover a lot of things we are missing when we start to grow or launch our business through the internet. People jump into building their business by having a website, or they go to having their social media presence. And then they discover that they have done a lot of mistakes, and they need to do some researches, etc. This tree is explaining exactly how they are interconnected. The infrastructure or the foundation part of growing your business or launching a new business is the research, the strategy, branding, and content.